That was yesterday near the Austin area, and here we had typical things like that.
Yeah, that's true. And the worst part for us is that it was all happening at nighttime. Yeah. Daytime, okay, yeah, you can probably see things a little bit better. Yeah. Nighttime, though, we are relying on the illumination of the lightning or power flashes to give us an indication for a tornado, and it's never a good time to get out there. No, it's not at all. Because of the storms that we had, we are still dealing with power outages, and yes, we have a host of those, specifically in Upshur and Houston counties. That's where some of our more significant power outages are. Cass, Marion, just a couple of hundred there. Look at Upshur County, though, 2,500 customers without power. Back down into Rusk County, we're looking at about 1,000 customers. And then in Deep East Texas, 6,000 in Houston County, 200 in Trinity County, Nacogdoches, especially in the northwest portion, about 1,500 customers are without power. What a round of precipitation. We talked about how heavy rain would be one of the greater concerns outside of damaging wind gusts and tornado, and that certainly verified the amount of rain that we saw. Absolutely quite high. An inch and a half from the Quitman site. East Texas Regional Airport had about 0.8 of an inch. Marshall almost 2.5. Look at Tatum, nearly 3 inches of rain. And Minden, the power went out, so we only got 1.91, but likely even higher because of what the radar is indicating, over 2 inches there. Tyler Pounds at 2.86, Cumberland Ridge at 2 inches, Athens at 1.87, Jacksonville at about 1.5 inches. We've got about 3 inches in Alazan, Priscilla 3.1, Toledo Bend between 2 and 2.5 inches of rain, and West Lufkin 2.04, a lot of rain coming down. Hopefully this will give us a good update to the drought monitor when we show you that on Thursday. There's our upper low beginning to pull away. Severe storms off to the east for us. We have some lingering clouds because we are in the proximity of this upper low, but as it lifts more to the northeast, our clouds will begin to decrease. As a matter of fact, those storms pull away, cloud cover also clearing out as well. So when we start tomorrow morning, we'll have some passing clouds and temperatures around 40 degrees, some of us into the 30s, but either way, because of a west-northwest wind, it's going to feel like the mid-30s at times to start tomorrow. Should have some nice weather for your Wednesday. It's cool in the afternoon. We're about 10 degrees cooler than where we should be in some locations. A northwest wind up to 15 miles an hour, so a breezy day for us on Wednesday. Wind will get lighter on Thursday, and that's when we'll start to warm back up. On our way to the low 70s on Friday. Look at the weekend. We're near 80 degrees. Next rain chance probably not until either next Tuesday or Wednesday. Doesn't look to be too significant right now. Deep East Texas, mid 60s, and we're really on a nice streak of dry weather. We need this break after what we've dealt with, 3 storm events in the last 7 days.